To bake textures relative to the scene so they include things like shading and shadows, set up the scene so that we have our lighting and our objects placed relative to where they need to be and the effect that's wanted. Then for the object being baked, make sure it has a material, a basic material, with an image texture node assigned. This does not need to be connected to base color. To this, we need to make sure the object is UV unwrapped and mapped. Then in render properties, switch the render engine from Eevee to cycles. This gives us access to bake properties. Expand the options and select the appropriate bake type. So as we're wanting to include lighting, this can be combined, which is the default, which includes direct and indirect lighting. Shadow, which specifically includes direct and indirect lighting. Diffuse and others. If we use diffuse or any other, we have the options to include direct and indirect lighting. Make sure these are checked. And if we want to include color, check that box. And all we need to do is click the Bake button. Blender will bake the map, which is then available in the UV editor. So once we have this, we can save the image, save as, or save a copy. Let's call this diffuse, shadows. Set the file type or the file format, preferably a lossless, so BMP, bitmap, Targa Raw, or TIFF. And then just save the file. Once that's been saved, in shading, we can reference the image as it's already saved to the image texture node. We can use that in the material and assign it to our object.